Excuse me, sir.
Welcome to nature's naturopathic time.
These roads were developed over 100 years ago to make it safe for you and your animals to walk. Like me. Stay safe, kid.
Oh, these are the most natural rocks known to man. I like this one. I named him Frederick because he reminds me of someone I know named Frederick.
This is a fit stop, the most natural fit place in the fit world. Take a look. Natural. This was known to man as one of the first all-natural picnic tables ever to be placed in this land. Who knows? They could have had the Thanksgiving feast on this very picnic table. That's why we keep it safe.
This is called the heaven sand. It's called the heaven sand because it comes from the heavens and that it's sand. My favorite part about this sand, not only that it's gray and sandy, is that it's illegal to touch. But I like the leaves in it, so I touch it anyway. And I've never been caught, so I think it's going well. The heaven sand comes down every 34 years. So watch out next time you see some sand falling from the heavens.
Water. If you ever need water, this is the place to go. It works really well. And there's even one for your doggo. Looky there. The best part about this water fountain is that it's very historical and natural. Children, hundreds of years ago, would travel here to bring water to their hungry, starving, dying families.
Sir!
Oh, hey!
What's that?
You're just in time for the statue. I call this one a statue because it kind of looks like a statue. It says 2001. That's not true. It was more like 1884.
Oh.
Maybe 87. I don't remember. But if you come around this way, you can see the beauty of this man. And I like their cane that they got. It's kind of sexy. Wait, no, cut that out. Sacagawea. That's this guy's name.